My tablet battery is almost out of charge. Mom and Dad have the chargers. What are we going to do?
Mom has all those Marvel Run toys that she bought to donate to her school. What if we played with those?
But she said not to touch them.
It'll be okay. We have 7 hours to put them away before she gets home.
I'm telling her it was your idea if we get in trouble. What are we going to do with all these Marvel runs?
Well, maybe we can build a fort. We need some help for that. We could call over some friends. Okay, guys, this is how we're going to build the fort. Thanks for coming, guys. Be sure to have a lot of fun.
Yep. Bye.
Thanks for having us.
We had a lot of fun.
Mom will be home soon. We should really get these boxes back to the garage.